Not too long ago, this started happening to my prints. The printer hasn't been in use for a little while, but it was printing fine the last time I tried it. When trying to print something, it seems like the filament won't stick at all, and when it does, the printer seems to be having a hard time extruding the filament, resulting in gaps and layers that won't stick to each other. Since I don't have a lot of experience with 3D printers in general and troubleshooting them, I usually always resort to leveling the bed to make sure that the bed is adjusted correctly. And 9 out of 10 times this solves the problem, but not this time. Upon further inspection, I realized that the gears sitting on top of the extruder was unsynchronized and had a difficult time pushing the filament through the tube and out to the nozzle. A while later, after a little research on YouTube, one of the things that could be causing this issue was a broken lever. The plastic lever that holds the gears together, essentially. If the lever was broken, there would be a lot less tension on the gears, keeping them together, resulting in the gears slipping on the filament and causing under-extrusion. This, however, wasn't the case, since the lever was fully intact and not broken at all. But I realized that there was a spring located on the other side of the lever, pushing the gears together. At first, I was pretty sure that this couldn't be causing the issue, since it just seemed like a loose spring, but after tightening the screw and the spring, the under-extrusion suddenly disappeared. And when I think about it, it kind of makes sense, since the spring maintains the tension on the two gears pushing the filament. But either way, I didn't think that this would solve the problem at the time, but it actually did. I was expecting a way bigger issue, like a broken extruder or something like that, since the printer really had a hard time extruding filament. I was considering buying a brand new extruder to replace the current one with, but it turns out that it really was not necessary, since there was a pretty simple solution to the problem. Even though it only was a loose spring, it still kept the printer from being able to print, so it seemed like a major component had to be broken. Fortunately, tightening the spring solved the problem I was having. And I thought if this is something I stumble upon, there might be others facing the same issue. So why not make a video on it and share it? As always, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was educational in some way or another, and that you did get something out of watching it.